In this video, I'm going to show you how to register LG washing machine warranty. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the official website of LG, which is lg.com, and then you have two options. You could either go ahead and click up here to the profile icon and then sign up for an account first and then register the product, or you could go to registration right away and register a product together with it, which is of course going to be a bit simpler of a process. So I'm going to go through this one right now. So click on this button up top right, your profile icon, and click on register a product. When you do this, it's going to take you to a separate page where you can basically register your product in 4 steps. So make sure you have your washing machine near you so you can check your serial numbers and stuff like that, and then you can proceed. Now, step 1 of 4 is going to be actually account info. So you're going to have to put in your first name and last name, and then your date of birth, your email you want to use, and then you will also have to create your password and repeat it over here. Now, make sure you know this because you will need this to sign into your account at a later date in case you want to, for example, register a new device or something like that. Here you then want to tell them more about yourself, so you will have to put in the shipping address, city, state, zip code, and then your phone number as well. And whenever you do that, you'll be able to then go ahead and tell them what product you own. So over here, as you can see, you will have to put in the serial number, purchase price, purchase date, and place of purchase. So here, as you can see, you have to fill these in case you are unsure how to find the serial number. Click on how do I find my serial number over here, and then you will have to basically find categories. So here, there's going to be a bunch of different categories. We're doing this for a washing machine. So in case you have a washing machine, click on washers over here, and then the product here, you can go ahead and just click on the one you want. I'm going to do a washer, and here it's going to basically show you where you're supposed to find it. So there's going to be a bunch of different options depending on which washing machine you actually have, and of course, check all of them, and somewhere you'll be able to basically find the serial number, which should look something like this. Now, when you do find this, go ahead and, of course, type it in here. Type in the purchase price, date, and then the place of purchase. And then here, last step is to confirm the product details. And here, of course, first you will have to complete step 3 to be able to see this one. But this is where you basically can confirm your product details. If everything looks good, you can also sign up to receive emails, check the different boxes, agree with the privacy policy, and then the terms and conditions. And when you do all of this, fill all that in, click on the submit button at the bottom, and you should have your account registered together with your new washing machine also registered for warranty. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.